Hello everyone. Welcome back to Writing Tutorials. Today, we're focusing on a letter of intent for a scholarship, a type of letter that can play a big role in helping you stand out to a scholarship committee. If you're applying for a scholarship, a well-written letter of intent can make a strong impression by showcasing your passion, achievements, and potential. In this episode, I'll walk you through a sample letter step by step, breaking down each paragraph and sentence so that you'll understand exactly what to write and why. Let's dive into this sample letter from Megan Collins and look at how it effectively conveys her dedication and aspirations. Header and date. Let's start with the basics at the very top. First, we have the writer's contact information, like her name, address, email, and phone number. Including your contact details here is crucial for a formal letter because it allows the committee to easily identify you and know how to reach you if they need additional information. Under her contact information, Megan has the date, November 1st, 2024. Remember, dates are important in formal letters because they show when the letter was written, which can help scholarship committees keep track of your application timeline. Addressing the scholarship committee. Below the date, Megan addresses the letter to the scholarship committee of the Greenwood Scholars Foundation, followed by their full address. If you know who will receive your letter, it's a good idea to address them by name. But if you're writing to a general committee, addressing it as scholarship committee is appropriate. Including the committee or organization's name shows that you're thoughtful and aware of who's handling your application. Subject line. Right after the recipient's information, there's a subject line that says, Letter of Intent for the Greenwood Scholars Foundation Scholarship. This is a great way to let the committee know exactly what the letter is about. By stating the purpose of your letter here, you make it easy for the reader to understand your intent from the start, which is especially helpful if they're reviewing many applications. Opening and purpose statement. Now we move into the body of the letter. Megan opens with, I am writing to express my sincere interest in the Greenwood Scholars Foundation Scholarship. Starting your letter with a clear statement of intent is essential. Here, Megan immediately lets the committee know that she's applying for the scholarship and is truly interested in it. If you're writing a letter of intent, being upfront and direct about your purpose shows confidence and professionalism. Next, she provides a little background. I am currently a senior at Townsville High School, where I am set to graduate with honors in June 2025. Mentioning her current education level and expected graduation date provides context about where she is in her academic journey, which can be valuable information for the committee. Megan then highlights her goals and passion, stating, with a strong passion for environmental science and community engagement, I am eager to further my studies in this field and am particularly drawn to the academic excellence and research opportunities at Greenwood University. Here, she introduces her specific area of interest, environmental science, which aligns with her scholarship application. When writing this kind of letter, make sure you explain your interests and how they connect with your future goals. By sharing her passion for environmental science and mentioning Greenwood University's reputation, Megan is also showing the committee that she's thought carefully about where this scholarship could lead her. Then, she finishes the paragraph by explaining why the scholarship is important. Receiving this scholarship would be instrumental in helping me achieve my educational and career goals in environmental policy. This sentence is impactful because it tells the committee that their support will have a meaningful impact on her path. When writing your letter, think about how you can convey the difference the scholarship would make in your life, whether it's helping with tuition, enabling new learning experiences, or reducing financial pressure. Academic achievements and extracurricular involvement. In the next paragraph, Megan discusses her academic and extracurricular achievements. Throughout my high school career, I have maintained a high GPA while actively participating in extracurricular activities, such as the Environmental Club and local community service projects. This sentence is valuable because it shows she's a well-rounded student with both academic dedication and a commitment to activities outside of class. Here, Megan is saying, I'm more than just my grades. She then mentions the impact these activities have had on her. These experiences have deepened my commitment to creating sustainable change, and I am excited about the opportunity to expand my knowledge in this area at the collegiate level. This sentence shows reflection and growth. Megan explains how her experiences have influenced her future plans and strengthened her commitment to making a difference. Adding sentences that explain how your experiences have shaped you helps paint a fuller picture of who you are and what drives you. Volunteer work and financial need. In this paragraph, Megan shifts to discuss her volunteer work. In addition to my academic dedication, I have also volunteered extensively in local environmental organizations, where I have been able to contribute to meaningful projects aimed at promoting ecological awareness. Mentioning volunteer work demonstrates her commitment to environmental causes outside of school, making her application even more compelling. If you're writing about volunteer work, consider sharing specific projects or causes that show your dedication. Then, she ties it back to the scholarship. This scholarship would relieve financial pressures, allowing me to dedicate myself fully to my studies and my goal of advancing environmental advocacy efforts. This sentence is important because it tells the committee how the scholarship would allow her to focus more on her education and community impact. When writing your letter, it's effective to show how the scholarship would allow you to give back or achieve specific goals. Scholarship committees often appreciate seeing how their support will make a meaningful difference in the applicant's life. Closing and gratitude. As Megan begins to wrap up, she expresses gratitude and excitement. Thank you for considering my application for this generous scholarship. Showing gratitude is always a nice touch in scholarship letters. It reminds the committee that you appreciate their time and effort in reviewing applications, which adds a polite and respectful tone to your letter. Finally, Megan concludes by reiterating her interest in Greenwood University. I am inspired by the possibilities that Greenwood University offers and am confident that it is the ideal place for me to grow academically and contribute positively to the community. This closing line reinforces Megan's enthusiasm for Greenwood University, showing that she's done her research and feels confident that it's the right place for her to thrive. When you're writing, mentioning specific reasons why you're drawn to the institution or program can show that you're committed and well prepared for the opportunity. Sign off. The letter ends with a simple, professional closing, sincerely, followed by her full name, Megan R. Collins. This standard closing is all you need to wrap up your letter in a polite and formal way. When writing a formal letter like this, always use a traditional sign-off to keep things professional. And that's it. We've covered each part of a scholarship letter of intent, from the header to the closing. As you can see, every part has a purpose, and by following this structure, you'll be able to write a letter that's both genuine and professional. I hope this breakdown has given you a clear roadmap to create your own scholarship letter. Remember to keep it personal, emphasize your passion, and show the committee how this scholarship will make a meaningful difference in your life. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Writing Tutorials for more helpful tips. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.